In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate Tesco Bank Credit Card. This is a step-by-step guide, so please follow along to get a better understanding. But before we dive into its activation methods, let's make sure you have everything you need. First off, you'll obviously need your physical credit card itself. Additionally, you might also need some personal identification details for verification, like your social security number, date of birth, or your bank account details. Step 1. You'll need to head over to this webpage. And once you're on this page, you need to scroll down to this section. Over here, you'll find an activation phone number. Give this number a call, and you'll be guided through an automated system that will ask you for your card number and some personal verification details to complete the activation process. In some cases, you might be connected to a customer service representative if the automated system can't complete the activation. Well, that's how you activate your Tesco Bank Credit Card. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.